Unlock the cinematic potential of your Nikon D5600 and start capturing stunning videos today. First, let's dive into shooting in movie mode. Access by turning the mode dial to the movie camera icon. This engages your camera's video capabilities. Navigate to the Add button, your shortcut to essential video settings. Here, you can adjust frame size and frame rate to achieve different looks for smooth cinematic motion. 24 or 30 frames per second is often ideal. Higher frame rates, like 60 frames per second, are fantastic for slow motion effects. Control your exposure by adjusting ISO, aperture, and shutter speed for a shallow depth of field, like blurring the background. Select a wider aperture. Generally, for video, it's best to set your shutter speed to twice your frame rate to avoid judder. So for 30 frames per second, use a 1/60th of a second shutter speed. Crystal clear audio is crucial, while the built-in mic is convenient. For professional sound, consider an external microphone connected to the microphone input on your camera. Then, in the menu, go to the movie shooting menu and select microphone sensitivity to optimize your audio levels, usually starting with the medium setting. Composition is key to compelling visuals. Remember the rule of thirds. Imagine your frame divided into 9 equal squares, i2 horizontal and to vertical lines. Placing your subject at the intersection of these lines creates a more balanced and engaging shot. For sharp focus, you can utilize autofocus or manual focus for controlled cinematic shots. Manual focus allows for smooth rack focus, transitioning focus from one subject to another in live view. Zoom in to ensure your critical focus is accurate. Vary your shots. Include wide shots to establish the scene, medium shots to show interaction, and close-ups to highlight details, as visual variety keeps your audience engaged. Finally, practice steady camera movements. Use a tripod or a stabilizer for smooth pans and tilts. Avoid jerky movements, and let your shots breathe. With these steps, you're well on your way to producing high-quality videos that tell your story. Happy filming!